Okay, so we're just getting ready to leave home now. We're going to do a road trip today. I'm taking my son Josh, who's out here from Brussels. He's here from Belgium for 2 weeks, and we're going to show him some of our beautiful state. Actually, we're going to go down to Canberra. We're going to just take the long way though, so it's probably going to be about a 500-kilometre ride. We're going to go west from Sydney out over the Blue Mountains, and then from Blue Mountains we'll duck out to Oberon, probably stop and have some lunch there in Oberon, and then from Oberon, one of my favourite rides is from Oberon down to Goulburn. So it's about a 160-kilometre ride, where it's probably 10 to 15 minutes in between each vehicle that you see, which is just a beautiful ride. Highly recommend it. Stop in Teralga, beautiful little town, Teralga, then on to Goulburn, and then into Canberra. So stay tuned, this will be a good journey. So we picked up the bike, done the first kilometre or two with these new handlebars, and loving it. So much more comfortable, easier posture, and it just looks so much better. Just looks mean and practical. It's very seldom that those 2 points actually collide. Normally mean or aggressive means uncomfortable, but in this case it seems to have worked. Just got to head to Bunnings. I forgot my hockey straps at home. Not hockey straps, cable ties. I did get a strap off Harley Heaven, quite a good strap, but I do want a cable tie as well. So we'll stop and grab that, and then we'll continue on. Got the cable ties there, we're all sorted. So we're just about to leave Bunnings and let's get on the highway. Let's go. Loving these handlebars. Just heading up the Blue Mountains now. Gonna stop and get some fuel shortly. That's 71 kilometres left in the tank. Did I tell you I'm loving these bars? Loving these bars. So we're just coming through a little place called Hartley, which is off the back of the Blue Mountains. We're about to turn off to head towards Oberon. It's so windy and you can just see the smoke. And it's just amazing. Sorry, I'm just finding a bit uncomfortable. Have a look at this. Just see out there, you can't even see those mountain ranges that clearly. I hope everyone's safe. And there's signs up everywhere going, you know, good on your fireys. You know, tell you what, you're stuck without them. Take care of that off to all of them and their families for all their support. Absolute legends. See, it feels pretty good in the bends. Got to get a bit used to it actually. I think if anything it feels a bit more agile. So we've made it to the famous DJ's Cafe in Oberon, and there's not a lot of people in Oberon. Sort of makes you wonder. It is dead here, absolutely dead. Poor little Joshy, I don't know if he's got the energy to kick on today to Canberra. We've probably got somewhere in the vicinity of probably about 300 kilometres, I suppose, to go. And I don't think he's probably got the stamina, and that's okay. I mean, he's only young. 500 kilometres is a long ride. So we're sitting at probably about 200 now, and yeah, so another 300 k's. Look how dead the street is. It's turned into a ghost town. I love Oberon. The bike's still well. Here comes the fireys. One thing you always travel with is Panadol or Nurofen, because when you get a headache on the bike, it is... So we're just leaving Oberon now. This is my favourite ride, this bit. Oberon to Goulburn. So we'll see if we can get somewhere and get the drone up, and I don't know if there's going to be a hell of a lot to see, but on a clear day it's normally quite beautiful, so let's see how we go. Into a very little town called Black Springs. Very cute little one street town. The smoke is definitely getting worse. I certainly hope we're not heading into the fires, because it is definitely getting smokier as we're going on. I can actually starting to feel it sting my eyes a little bit. That would have tripped me without a drama, eh? Okay, so I've just lost my wallet. Car parts, a motorcycle. Still pay the same rate. It's only a really small motorcycle. It's only got one wheel.